You gonna ask the question?
Is it your guys' first time in the U.S.?
Yeah.
How you guys liking it?
It's pretty good. It's okay. It's okay. You like it?
What is your guys' favorite food?
Roscoe's Chicken is on 7th Street. It's pretty good. It's not Korean fried chicken, but it'll do. Those grits. Heat back up a little bit.
Should we expect any special guests tonight?
We the special guests. Hey, calm your ass down. We all don't speak English like I do. I learned English and Korean at the same time. So, you know, I was set up for this. I'm trained at the same media trained. So I'm just here with my boys and we make music.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you, Vid Maze. All right, come on.